To cover the rest of the floor, we're going to need about 30 times that much concrete.
Then we shall just have to figure out what we can do with 42 feet.
Are you
concrete? 6 by 9 feet, isn't it?
6 by 7, but not much of a difference, they said. What do you do with a room that's 6 feet?
Then we shall just have to figure out what we can do with 42 feet.
Are you
concrete? 6 by 9 feet, isn't it?
6 by 7, but not much of a difference, they said. What do you do with a
So, lots of, and this is when they started to become kind of famous. A halftime demonstration, Rams-Raiders game at the Coliseum with 85,000 people.
Yeah, all the government guys gather up together and they're like aggressively pointing out that them not cutting the broadcast was not a hole in the script, and because if we did that, then we would have made a murderer out of them.
Okay, I guess as long as we don't make a murderer.
Anyone in tiny 4-inch heels anywhere in the vicinity of this.
Well, the one thing I will say about that is, like, to your point, you got your footing again. Water. It would be a mess of activity, and I can see there not being any prints, but then it goes back to there's still not any prints.
Oh, I'm sorry,
Either. She had to have walked across the road, across the median.
Right, and they don't have
תגיד לו שיבוא.
ימי.